guba akong wrist. Basta na ako diri sa US, di malas ako. The question is, are we gonna be able to go back to the Philippines?
Hello everyone, I'm mga bay. We're road tripping. I'm a lot more excited about it than he is, because he's guba.
So, padung naman kami sa St. George, actually Bryce Canyon.
Southern.
Mga 4 hours ang biyahe. Guba akong wrist. That's why I have the splinter. Next week, splint, yeah. Next week I'll get my cast. Grave till grave. Basta na ako diri sa US, di malas ako. Last summer I broke my hand skateboarding. And then last winter I came home, ripped open my lip with a knife, went to the ER. And then this summer, broke my wrist.
Maybe he should have come home.
Yeah.
Or maybe he just shouldn't skate.
I think I'm gonna retire skateboarding.
I think hang up the board.
The old skateboard. Alright. The question is, are we gonna be able to go back to the Philippines? Because we leave in less than 2 weeks. And I still don't have my cast.
Of course we're going back. What are you talking about?
Yeah, we're going back. So Mom Joey's gonna take over the vlog for the next month, since I can't really hold the camera very well.
But me either, because it's so heavy. So maybe with combined arms.
We have one full body.
Okay.
So, road trip.
Road trip.
Yeah, road trip.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! What's up?
Trying to get hit by a car.
Alright, give us a lowdown.
Well, I don't know where we are. We're at
Facts.
Facts by Ma'am Joey. We're at Red Canyon like nowhere else on earth, exploring the trails, foot traffic only.
Oh, look at that. Heck yeah, doing some handstands. Sige. So, nakaabot na kami diri sa Bryce Canyon. First time ko diri, bisan taga Yutamon ko. So, musuri kami diri. Pitana na mo ang lugar sa inyo. So, like ko mag-vlog, bisan usara ka buok ang kamon ako.
What is that?
I don't know.
It's so tiny.
Lizard? Pako?
No, I think it...
Tiki?
No, pako. Pake.
Sige, sorry.
So, I broke my camera. Look at it, right on there. Right on the camera bar. Couldn't have landed here, or maybe down here. No, the top camera. It still works, but I'm devastated.
Jump shots.
Oh yeah, we were getting some jump shots and I had it in my bra as a pocket, and then it fell out and landed on any one of these.
Broken hand, broken phone.
I don't know what's worse.
What? Excuse me?
Hello. Welcome to my channel.
This is reality of all tourist places.
But I need it so I will stay around. And when you're all messed up, it's a great relief to be understood. It's a shame still waters run deep. What the hell? Still waters run deep.
Sige, mga adlaw sa inyo tanan. Manayang ika-2 na adlaw diri sa Southern Utah. O kini na vlog consists of 3 days. And then pagkahuman diri, mubalhin kami muadto kami sa Las Vegas. Sige, karon na kami diri sa tunga sa usa ka desert, diri sa St. George, Utah. And where the heck are we going?
We're going to Scout Cave. This is a shortcut, hopefully it works. Because the proper trail is 5.5 miles and I'm not about that. So we found a shortcut through a neighborhood or a gated community. It's hopefully only like 1 mile.
Yeah, so diha ang mga balay sa mga datot na tao. Dili kami pwede mosulod diha kay pobre man kami. So diri lang kami moagi sa desert, sa sand, murag beach ni siya. Puro balas, kapoy.
Yeah.
Alright.
Maybe we should have chose the 5 mile hike. There's lots of ants, really big ones, and I saw a lizard, and I'm worried that there's rattlesnakes. Stop it.
Alright. It's extremely loud. Dakan insekto
There's
dire.
so many insects. And they sound like how I imagine rattlesnakes to sound. So I'm freaking out a little. No one would believe that I'm from Australia.
Where's your hobbies? I want everyone to know that she doesn't trust her hobbies. Team Smart and going strong, baby.
We have a problemo. Get me out, 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 get me out.
Sige, so doon na kami sa cave. Muna siyang cave. Ikan mi diha sa ubos. Si Ma'am Joey, kumusta naman?
Puffed?
Kaya mo yan.
Okay.
It's pretty sick though.
Yeah.
MTV Cribs, go.
So, this is our crib. It is a cave. This is Scout Cave. It is approximately 40 feet high. I made that up. About 40 feet. There are bats. I saw a feather, so there are birds, and it's really windy and it's dusty. And I got a lot of dust in my contact lenses. But it's sick. But this is a sick view.
Yeah.
Mini shutter for effect. Okay. Oh.
Manawag na kami, kusog hangin. Siguro bati ang sound karon. Pero muli na kami kay siguro magulan. Kaloy na mo. And yeah, let's go.
We're gonna go home before it rains. It's windy. My eyes are killing me.
Alright, it's too windy. Let's go. Tara!
Tara!
Sige, mamuntag sa nitanan. It is approximately 230 degrees here in beautiful Lake Powell.
So hot.
Diri sa Arizona. O karon na kami diri sa dam sa Lake Powell. You have any facts about this dam? How's the bagel?
Yeah, the bagel's good. I don't have any MJ facts yet because we have not entered the visitor center.
Fun fact, this bridge is kind of shaking when
Yeah,
the cars...
I'm freaking out a little bit. I don't like it. I do have facts about Carson's wrist though. He doesn't have to get a cast.
Woohoo!
So he can have a splint only, which is great.
Heck yeah, baby. So, mo na siyang dam. Patano sa inyo. Yeah, buddy. So, mo na siyang Lake Powell. Kung muani ka mo diri sa States, dapat muani ka mo sa Lake Powell. Kaya mo ni usa ka akong paborito na bakasyon. Grabe ka taas, grabe ka lik-on ang dam. Unta, kung dili sa lik-on, patay na kami. Di ba?
Yeah, good right. I'm
Huh?
comfortable.
Why? Here?
Yeah,
Alright, let's leave.
yeah. I don't do well with bridges, everyone, especially when it's shaking and we're this far off the ground.
Lake Powell, dual ni siya sa Antelope Canyon kay unya. Muat pa kami dito, usa ka pinakanindot diri sa US. Ako, wala pa ko naka-ato siya. Siyempre, wala pa. O unya, muat tupod kami sa Shoe Horse? What is it?
Horseshoe Bend.
Horseshoe Bend. Dyslexic ako. Sige, so mo nang plano karon. Woo! Excuse po.
Sorry po.
Nana kami diri. Entrance Horseshoe something.
Horseshoe Bend.
Horseshoe Bend.
Horseshoe Horse.
Wala may turista diri. Kamera.
Look lang.
So puro mga tourist destination among aton karon. So share lang kami sa ila.
Glad I brought my shoes, not my heavies.
She doesn't believe in her hobbies anymore, team. Daog ang Team Spartan.
Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you.
Sige, so humara kami dito sa Horseshoe Bend. Grabe kayo init sa desert. Nalipong munta kami. Yung naong napula kayo. Sabi na akong malipong ni siya. So niyapo na kami diri sa Antelope Canyon tour. Magkulat kami. It's supposed to be 5:30. Pero pag alas 5:30 wala may adlaw tunga sa canyon. So dili siya nindot tanawon. So swerte kami kay nibalhin kami sa 4 o'clock tour. Para nindot ang view. So, kabulan lang kami sa tour. Alright, here's our sick new whip. Riding dirty. Alright, tour's beginning. Got heaps of towel here. So we'll just take our turns. Super sick. 7:30
PM.
PM.
7:30 PM.
Buli na kami. Siguro medyo saba ang kotse karon kay biyahe na kami. Diba? Antelope Canyon or Horseshoe? Asang astig?
Well, they were both very crowded, which was to be expected. So Antelope Canyon had lots of pretty colors, which is lovely. And then Horseshoe, with my crippling fear of heights, I thought I was going to throw up, but it's also really pretty.
So if you come to Antelope Canyon, come in the afternoon, not in the evening.
Yeah,
Or earlier the better.
Yep, because it was already pretty dark inside, and when it's dark, you can't see the orange.
Yeah, it's me too loud.
No, it'll be fine. Dude.
Antelope Canyon, $65 a person. And then Horseshoe Bend
was $10 entry for a car.
for parking.
This is the longest outro ever.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Okay.
Salamat sa magtana.
Okay, big long. Tanan. Woo! Bye-bye.
You were made to fly, but you